like she'd rather not fly and just walk around. The river lies up and over the hill. Everyone relies, but the waters are never still. We know the river, it's ancient, with a particular flow, but the water's always new. It's water we never ever get to know. Does the very same thing, like it has no choice and can't escape. This world is like a magnet, and just like recording tape, repetitive actions here get recorded, somewhere between the furniture and the trade. Nothing's wrong with her wing. She said if every day you held me like we'd never be apart, then the day you'd leave me, I'd be left with you recorded in my heart. Broken Burn. Bird's eye view.